TikTok made you buy it, but was it actually worth the money? I've tested 5 viral Amazon products from 2026. The ones you've seen a million times on your For You page. Some are genius, some are garbage. Let's find out. The Govee neon rope light. 2 is everywhere on TikTok. Those bendable, glowing lines that people shape into hearts, words, or abstract art on their walls. I bought one to see if the hype is real. The good news, it looks fantastic. The neon effect is bright and even, with no dark spots where the LED strips show through. You can bend it into any shape and it holds the shape permanently once you use the included mounting clips. The app lets you control colors, brightness, and even moving patterns like flowing light or flashing to music. I made a heart shape above my bed and it looks like a custom neon sign. One honest piece of feedback. Installation takes patience. Bending the rope into complex shapes without kinking. It is harder than TikTok makes it look. Also, the white color is slightly blue tinted, not warm white. For gamers, streamers, or anyone who wants cool room lighting, this is absolutely worth it. For everyone else, it's a fun decoration but not essential. If you're willing to spend an hour on installation, you'll love it. Full specs and the best deal are linked in the description below. The Slow Rebound. Butter Squeeze Stress Ball is the weirdly satisfying product TikTok can't stop squeezing. It looks like a stick of butter. You squeeze it and it slowly rebounds back to its original shape over about 30 seconds. The texture is soft and squishy, not sticky, not greasy. I kept one on my desk for a month and I found myself grabbing it during stressful calls or boring meetings. It genuinely helped me focus and calm down. The material is non-toxic and doesn't leave residue on your hands. It comes in butter yellow or other colors like neon green and pink. One honest piece of feedback. It's a stress ball. That's it. Don't expect it to change your life. Also, if you squeeze it too hard repeatedly, it can develop small cracks over time. For the price, under $10. It's a fun, harmless desk toy. Is it worth it? Yes, if you like fidget toys. No, if you're expecting something more. TikTok made it look magical. In reality, it's a very satisfying, squishy thing. Link is waiting for you in the description below. The Zevo flying insect trap is the TikTok famous bug killer that uses light to attract flies, gnats, and moths, then traps them on a sticky cartridge. No chemicals. No zapping sound. Just a blue LED light and a design glue trap. I put one in my kitchen near the fruit bowl. Within 3 days, the cartridge was covered in fruit flies. Within a week, it caught several moths and a housefly. The device is small and plugs directly into an outlet. The light is barely noticeable during the day and acts as a gentle nightlight. At night, the cartridges last about 30 days, or until full. One honest piece of feedback. It only works for flying insects attracted to light. It won't catch ants, roaches, or spiders. Also, replacing cartridges costs about $10 each. For anyone with a fruit fly problem in summer, this trap is a lifesaver. It's passive, quiet, and chemical-free. TikTok hyped it correctly. It works exactly as shown. Not a miracle, but a solid solution to a specific problem. Full details in the link are in the description below. The BlendJet 2 is the portable blender that TikTok made, famous for smoothies, on the go. It's cordless, rechargeable, and fits in a cup holder. You add your ingredients, frozen fruit, yogurt, juice, press a button, and 20 seconds later, you have a smoothie. I tested it for a month. The good. It's genuinely portable. I threw it in my gym bag and made a protein shake in the locker room. It's easy to clean. Add water and a drop of soap, run it, rinse. The battery only lasts about 15 blends per charge. It struggles with frozen fruit if you don't add enough liquid. It's also loud, like a small power tool. One honest piece of feedback. It's not a full-size blender. You cannot make nut butter or crush ice for frozen cocktails. For smoothies, protein shakes, and salad dressings, it's great. For serious blending, buy a countertop blender. TikTok made it look effortless. It is, as long as you use the right ingredients. Worth it for travelers, gym goers, or small kitchens. Not worth it if you already have a good blender. Check the description for the link and current pricing. The Shark StainForce Cordless Spot Cleaner is the TikTok product that saves your carpets and upholstery. It's a cordless, handheld carpet cleaner that scrubs and sucks up fresh stains before they set. I tested it on red wine spilled on a beige carpet, panicked, grabbed the Shark, sprayed the cleaning solution, scrubbed with the brush head, and vacuumed up the liquid. The stain was gone. No residue, no ring. The cordless design means you grab it and go. No outlet hunting. The battery lasts about 15 minutes, plenty for a few stains. The clean water tank and dirty water tank are easy to empty and rinse. The included cleaning solution is effective, but smells strong. One honest piece of feedback. It's not for whole room cleaning, it's for spots. Also, the brush heads are small, so large stains take time. For pet owners, parents of toddlers, or anyone who spills things, this spot cleaner is worth every penny. TikTok made it look like magic. It's not magic, it's a powerful tool that works exactly as advertised. Link is waiting for you in the description below. That's 5 viral TikTok products tested. Some winners, some just okay. Which one are you actually buying? Comment below, and don't forget to check the description for all the links. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go spend your money wisely.